Here are 50 daily use sentences that incorporate please. 1. Please pass the salt. 2. Please close the door. 3. Please help me with this. 4. Please call me back. 5. Please turn off the lights. 6. Please speak slowly. 7. Please listen carefully. 8. Please open the window. 9. Please write it down. 10. Please clean your room. 11. Please wait for me. 12. Please tell me the time. 13. Please send me the details. 14. Please take a seat. 15. Please stop talking. 16. Please bring me a glass of water. 17. Please check your email. 18. Please pick up the phone. 19. Please stay here. 20. Please move over. 21. Please explain this to me. 22. Please hold the elevator. 23. Please give me your opinion. 24. Please set the alarm. 25. Please watch your step. 26. Please put it on the table. 27. Please share the document. 28. Please answer the question. 29. Please wait in line. 30. Please follow the instructions. 31. Please be quiet. 32. Please fill out this form. 33. Please remind me later. 34. Please lock the door. 35. Please take your time. 36. Please keep this with you. 37. Please pay attention. 38. Please join us for lunch. 39. Please save the file. 40. Please stop by my office. 41. Please switch off the fan. 42. Please try again. 43. Please bring me the keys. 44. Please read the instructions. 45. Please repeat that. 46. Please hurry up. 47. Please lower your voice. 48. Please stand back. 49. Please hand me that book. 50. Please confirm your attendance. These sentences can be used in various everyday contexts, making them practical and versatile.